But the number one best electric car that you can buy right now is the new Renault 5. We've recently seen the revival of a few iconic names in the automotive industry, but few have managed to deliver on the hype and the heritage in the way this new electric hatchback has. And while lots of people might love the styling of the new Renault 5, the great thing is that this car's talents go far beyond the way it looks. It's a small electric car that offers a very usable real-world range. Its supple ride and tidy handling make it a delight to drive, and the well-finished, technologically impressive interior would never have you think that this is one of the cheapest new electric cars that you can buy. Now, of course, a Model 3 can travel much further on a full charge, it's faster, it's bigger, and if it's in your budget, then it's a better pick than all of its rivals. But the Renault 5 offers an incredible blend of EV talents for an unbelievably compelling price, which far undercuts the Model 3. And being able to do all of that at this entry-level price point certainly makes the Renault 5 worth shouting about. In fact, we've named it the What Car of the Year for 2025. There are a couple of different versions you can go for, and we reckon the larger comfort range battery combined with mid-level techno trim represents the best value for money. This stylish hatchback is an EV you can buy with your heart and your head.